to make their own net in my house. They have lay egg, and then they now after two weeks, and then they hatch the egg for 2 weeks. Now the third week, now baby get big,